welcome back to my channel. I'm currently editing last week's video, and this week is the start of our Good Times Showcase week. So tomorrow I am going to pick up the fabric that I tried looking for the last vlog, and then Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday are all dedicated to the show. Get ready for this vlog. I'm hoping it's gonna be exciting. Who knows what I'll film, but I'll see you in a bit. In the midst of all this, you know I have to get my K-drama watch party in. We're watching Lovely Runner. I hear this one's good too.
She's back, right? Oh no! Oh my god, she's rapping. 솔직히 말해. 너 헤어지자고 한 거 이벤트.
Good morning, folks. I hope it works out. I've been getting the fabric today. We're going to the same place as I did last week, so skincare done. All right, we back here. I'm back here and I can't find it, but I did miss this last time. Hey, I got a whole roll. Y'all. Hey everyone, it's me. It is Friday the 24th, and this marks the first day out of 4 of our Good Times weekend. I have a meeting in 45 minutes, but I'm going to Target to see if I can get Namjoon's album. But I am getting some stationery for the team. We have stuff to do. I was supposed to do this like 7 a.m. but I didn't. I chose to sleep in a little bit. Whew. And yes, this is the same scarf from yesterday, but I like it a lot, so. I got the last one. It's huge. Thank you.
Subscribe.
Subscribe to my channel, please. Subscribe to my channel.
Since you're talk, you filming something.
Yeah, I just wanted to get visual.
Can I get some vlog footage, bro?
This is part of my vlog for the weekend.
Good Times, day 0.
We just got done with a 4-hour meeting, and now we're gonna go to the theater after loading.
Almost there.
I'll see you there. Y'all, I'm tired. This is kind of like my first meal, but we have 30 minutes before we get in, and I thought I'd steal some time to eat. I will hang out with everybody, but I need this time to sit down before I have to start running around again. And if I hang out with everybody, I'm just gonna be thinking about eating. I have some fish grill here. This is a kid's meal. There's a lot of food. I'm hoping to get energy and enjoy my time.
Let's go, company.
1, 2, 3, 4. Who y'all came to see tonight?
Alright, sorry, back to one, y'all. Here we go. Thank you.
I'm so sorry. I cut off your head. So now I'm doing a wide view and hello. Can you see us in here?
Yeah, I can. Just pan a little bit. Yeah, there you go.
Okay. And this is Gerald. Hello.
Okay. What's up, Sean?
Doing a lot of hanging out right now. Okay, I'm gonna go help now. And I'm waiting again. I helped a little bit. Yeah.
Now, listed April in that downstairs, right? Special, please.
Yeah.
I thought I'd steal some time to let you know that today's pretty chill, so kind of feels like there's not much to do, but we've also been really organized this year, so it's definitely not as stressful getting done what we need to get done. So here is the area where all the vendors will be. Tomorrow will be a little bit more set up, and then Sunday is a full setup. So I might just show you that. Good morning, everybody. It is day 2, and we're gonna start straight away. Day 2, yeah. Good morning.
Yeah,
Hi, good morning. Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
Hi, good
Is this for the
morning.
vlog? Is this for the vlog?
Good morning. There's too many people in there. But look at
Family friendly now.
gosh, what's your name? What's your name? Oh, Rylan. Say peace. I got my necklace. What is it called? My name tag. It has the entire schedule on the back.
Hey, welcome to Aggie's Vlog. Over and out.
Oh, I have mine too over there somewhere. I met Reg this morning until I could release to do other things. But we are putting packets together.
ASMR.
Look how cool these are though. It's pretty legit. Cloth wristbands that say good times, all access.
One more time, Ellen.
It's like a festival. Hey, merch people. Working hard, working hard. What I do at home. Oh no. We got our sweaters. Daniel, I didn't get it on film. Witness it. He witnessed
We
it.
can redo this. We can. Just be like, there's a problem with the system. We have to recheck everyone in. I mean, for
I was like, 이름이 주세요. 한 번만. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. 안녕하세요. Is it your birthday? Yes, my birthday. 안녕하세요. So cute. 유하우도 있어요? 유하우도 있어요? Henny, you should have heard it earlier. I was like going off with my Korean. Henny Kim. 네.
Hello everybody.
Hello.
Aegi has this pretty stuff for her. Okay. I'm Jongho. Jeongho.
Girl. You gotta say 안녕하세요. You see, I told him to say it. I told him to say it.
Can I go now?
Okay, ready?
Grabbed it. You got it? Yeah. Okay. Great. We are here at Good Times 2024.
I think I like I think I just grabbed it.
Good time. Let's go.
Not seeing. Hold on.
I love how he was using a remote control for what is it called? What's it called? For the psych.
The projector.
For the projector.
It's a side and a projector.
It's a psych. Psych! It is 12:42 and I am tired. Like tired.
Can we take a picture? Yes.
We have fire wings today. Lemon pepper and mango habanero with some yummy fries. I changed my sweater from a medium to a large. I feel so much better about it.
Did you put the media back?
They use it as a display. The moment I put it on, I was like, I don't think I want this size.
Do you normally buy mediums?
No.
Yeah. Why did you buy medium? Or get a medium?
They gave it to me. I didn't give a size, so that's like they just gave me medium. But I like this one so much better. I'm not even like thinking about it anymore.
There's people in there.
How's today going for you, man?
Today, pretty good. Early start, 8 a.m.
On the merch side, this is
Merch
Lem.
stuff. Yeah, my name's Lem.
Hey, Lindsay!
We got a lot of teams coming in still.
That's the thing. I like
Got a lot of people going for tech. Tomorrow is going to be the big day. But very exciting. Ooh, sneak peek. Oh yeah.
Thank you for your time, Lemwell.
Of course, of course.
Bro. It's, I think it's like 2:30, baby.
Yeah, charge.
I'm tired. And also,
Hi. Oh, what are you doing now? How are you vlogging?
I'm charging my phone and I'm vlogging. Telling my camera how tired I am.
I haven't had coffee today, and now I'm scared to have coffee. I might now just be up all night. Oh, what time is it?
It's only like
no. Hey, what time is it? All access time.
It's a good day though.
It's a great day.
Nice to meet you. What's your name?
It's almost 7 p.m. and we're just getting out. Tomorrow is show day for everybody and I can't wait to go home and have dinner and sleep and come back tomorrow. So I'll see you tomorrow. We are on day 3, show day. Kind of early. It is about 9:30, 10 o'clock. Everyone's gathering for our first rehearsal before the shows. Still have stuff to do. But we're here. Hello again. Oh my gosh, I'm late for the house meeting. Right now we have a house meeting. I was almost late. I heard the mic. I would have been like 30 minutes late. Ah! I feel crazy. I just got so stressed out of nowhere. Whoa! Okay.
Whatever you want to do.
They're getting last rehearsals on stage before we go on.
If we can clear, you can be like half-in. Half-in is okay, for as long as you're giving focus to that spot.
Have a good show.
We'd like to officially welcome you to Good Times 2024. My name is C-Rod, or Christian. You can call me either one. We're friends today. And I will be your MC.
The first show is going. We're probably gonna watch the second one. Nobody's in here. I can finally sit down and eat. I really want to sit and watch. I feel like someone might eat me though.
7, 8, we got a 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Let's pause there. So just the first one counts. Oh, I hear y'all. You're like, I haven't danced in like 4 years. I don't know if I can do this. Let me do the last. Oh, hey, let's have some.
A moment of prayer for us and everybody else here. Hi.
Hello.
Hey YouTube, I think Alan wants to be in my video. Say hey to my vlog. Yes, say hi to my vlog, everybody. Oh, hey vlog.
What's up, y'all? It's good time.
And this
We're going. We gotta go. Oh yeah, dude. Woo! Would you like to have your moment?
Subscribe to @eddie on Instagram and all platforms. But also open it up.
Okay.
How we feeling? Every time, but like if you look around, this shit runs fucking deep. We got folks from out of the state, out of the city, different teams, different lives now. But at the end of the day, everyone comes back and like why? Who knows? But all I can say is there's something there. Yeah.
Let's have a good show, y'all.
Good luck. Have a good show, everybody.
Let's kill it out there on the stage.
We just started our second show and I watched from the wings. Now I gotta charge my phone because it's gonna die. I just bought a scarf. Now I'm gonna buy a hat. Hi Mia, can I buy a hat please? Yes, you can have it. No. I got a hat. They gave it to me. They're so nice. They gave it to me. This. Michelle Liu and Liu. Okay. Cute, right?
Arm. We're gonna go left, and sister act 2. Yeah, no. 2, 3, 4. Yeah. All right, DJ, can we get some music to do this too? All right.
Left.
Let's do this. We're gonna do it like, hey, 2 more times. Hey. Building, constructing, business things.
Okay, I started playing New Jeans. There's supposed to be a mix for intermission, but I started playing New Jeans up here in the lobby. I think people like it. I'll go. It is Sean's dad.
I've graced this stage many times, and I'm so inspired by the generation. It's a piece that has honesty and vulnerability, and nothing much other than that. I'm excited to share with you too.
up time. Girl, do you know who this is? No.
Hi, welcome to Aggie's page.
I'm like a vlogger or something.
Come on. Well, welcome.
Welcome. So, I'd like to introduce you to one of my bitches, Aloe Galedo. We used to dance on the same team on company, and he's one of my closest friends ever. Thanks for joining. Thanks for tuning in. Good times to 2024. Ow. Ooh.
Oh. She's a vlogger. She's an artist.
I'm an artiste.
What's
This is the end of the day.
Have a good night, everybody.
Have a good night, everybody.
Good night, everybody.
Love you. Subscribe. Click here.
Good morning, everybody. Today is workshop day. Day 4. All the dance classes and hanging out, and I'm excited. Here I go to the class. Mr. Gay manning the door. Hey.
Good morning.
Hey. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So slow we were bound to fall over.
That was great. That was great. And for your partner.
Praise the Lord.
Praise the Lord.